So that was me. I got... Bless you.
Thanks.
You're allergic to the game.
Where was my second bless you?
I'm going to do 2 bless yous.
Oh my god, Phil.
This
Bad
isn't
friend.
a bless you factory.
That is apparently how I sneeze. What the hell?
I'm going to sneeze. There.
Okay, resume.
Employ gas mask for a while.
Way to not say bless you. Hashtag bad person.
I did forget, actually.
Wait. Why am I sneezing? I'm getting sick. Not really. You know what winds me up when people go, oh, you sneezed, are you getting sick? It's like, no, sometimes you just get some dust in your nose. Shut up. Bless you. Thank you, everybody. I am like, okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm over it. There we go. I avoided snotting on the camera because you know that's what I would have gone. And that's the projectile coming out of my mouth that none of you want to be hit by. Wait. I'm just gonna go for it.